This is Hong Kong during June. Perfect sa outfit ng mommy niyo for today. So nice. For flavor. It has 4 flavors. This is the macaroni soup. Okay naman tayo. Flat back. Good morning! I got here a package to match Mommy Heidi's OOTD. What I love about Vivaya footwear, this is the most comfortable shoes I've ever had, and that is why I keep adding to my collection. It's eco-friendly and stylish. This is made from recycled plastic bottles, so it's lightweight and breathable. Yung aking legs, napaka-nipis. Saka yung paa ko, slim lang. So I cannot carry heavy shoes, yung mga chunks. Vivaya is so perfect and that, fits really my style. And they have this new release which I am very excited. Kasi eto pa lang yung flats na meron akong gantong color. Wow! This is Vivaya's latest launch. And it comes with 2 more shoelaces. Ito yung isa and then 2 more. So, you have total of 3 shoelaces that you can actually change in a snap. So gorgeous! I love the color. It's ruby red, guys. Perfect sa outfit ng mommy niyo for today. It's foldable and soft. And basically, guys, very easy to pack. Especially, di ba, pag nagta-travel tayo, wala tayong masyadong space sa luggage. So, this is just light. And ang dali lang niyang ipack. You just have to do like this and put in your luggage. It also has anti-blister cushion for added comfort. May isa pang kulay nito, it's almond. Pero first time ko kasi magkaroon ng ruby red na flats. That's why I opted for this. Let's change the shoelace. Para kung bagets nito, ha? Gen sila. Why not? Diba? Basta kaya nyong dalhin. Alam nyo, guys, age is just a number. Whatever it is that you think, it's all in your mind. Just wear it more so if you feel like comfortable kayo. More so if you like confident. More so if you feel like good about it. Go lang. Huwag na nating isipin yung mga sasabihin ng ibang tao. It doesn't matter. What matters is how you feel. Laging ganun po ang ating mindset sa life. Alam nyo, at the end of the day, we cannot please everybody. We just have to please ourselves. Okay, we're gonna try this. Basically, you just have 1 pair of shoes that you can actually change in a snap depending on your mood. So, dahil ang feels natin ngayon ay bagets-bagets lang, magpula tayo. Wow, ang ganda naman. Lakas makabagets to, ha? Feels like I'm wearing a sneakers. Sobrang gaan, sobrang comfy, sobrang relaxing, sobrang flexible. Oh my God, I love this. Meron na akong bagong pangharabas. And I'm very happy to be one of those first to have it. At kayo na din, guys. Use my code on the link below. So, next item, magugulat kayo because this is not my usual. So, I've been eyeing a pink shoe. Nung nasa Korea ako, meron na akong almost to buy. Pero sabi ko, next time na lang. Wow! So nice! So, it has a breathable mesh. Nakakatuwa yung mga ganito kasi nakakahinga yung paa nyo, diba? All the more you feel comfortable. And also, yung kanyang sole is anti-slip. So, hindi po tayo madudulas-dulas ganyan. This is actually slip-on. Ganito siya, guys. Hindi siya natatanggal. Slide your feet, and then ayan na siya. I also see the advantage of mga slip-on. Kasi sometimes, if you are in a hurry, gusto mo na lang, slide mo na lang yung paa mo sa sapatos, diba? Ayaw mo nang yumuko-yuko, mag-shoelace pa na ganyan. Okay, let's try. light. Yung pa ako sa loob, nakakahinga, nakakagalaw. Ayan. See? Love! We're not used to washing our shoes. Most of the time, kapag ang mga sapatos natin madumi na, it's either ayaw na natin gamitin o kaya itatapon na natin. Pero this one, you can actually machine wash and then reuse. So basically, yung shoes mo is an investment because you can reuse and reuse. I'm so happy with my 2 new shoes. Actually guys, in this trip, I have 3 more Vivaya flats na dala ko, which yun yung ginamit ko dito sa Hong Kong. I'm going to show you my other Vivaya flats that I brought here in Hong Kong. Sharan! Ang dami ko ng collection, guys. So, this is Audrey flats. Ito naman yung embroidered. Still flexible, breathable, washable, lahat na. Same with this. Ganun lang po siya. Nasa maleta ko. This is my favorite Mary Jane. So, I got the square toe for a change. I also have this Aria flats. Pointed naman siya. Siyempre para may variety. Ang mga babae, di ba? Gusto natin ng iba-iba suot natin, be it shoes, be it clothes, be it bags, and I'm no exception. Lahat tayo ganun, no? Let's accept that. Mga girls is maraming gamit, no? Maraming anik-anik. This time, we plan to go naman Hong Kong Island. Kasi the past days, nandito tayo sa Kowloon, where our hotel is. So, dito lang kami umiikot. Para naman maiba. At saka gusto ko rin sumakay. At isakay si mama ng ding-ding, yung tram. So, let's go there. And meron din akong gustong kainan na milk pudding. And by the way, guys, yung milk pudding dito sa Hong Kong is very popular. Maximize na natin ang milk pudding while we are here in Hong Kong. At saka gusto ko yung kumain ng mga barbecue rice. Basic, Hong Kong staple, di ba? Na hindi ko pa nakain the past days. Yung mga tinda nila, ito pala English. Let's go inside. Ayan po ang mga kineso. Street. We're here in Yishun Milk Company. Nakita ko lang po sa TikTok, which is very popular for breakfast. And masarap dito yung kanilang milk pudding. At dahil dyan, sinadya pa natin dito sa Causeway Bay from Chimchachoy. Pagkapagkain, talagang willing tayo to go out of our way. Okay, so mag-order na po tayo dahil gabi na. Ay, malapit na pong mananghalian. Macaroni with fried eggs, 1, and then pork chop bun, 1, and then fried chicken wings, 1, and then steamed milk, hot, and then this one. First order arrived. Ano kayang lasa? Thank you. Oh, maganda. Ang sinasabi ko, coconut milk, it is. Nakakatuwa. Alam yung lasa? It's a milk pudding, guys. It's milky, yes. It's not so sweet. Mas gusto ko mas matamis pa. Tapos para kang umiinom ng hot milk. Nung bata ka, tinimplahan ako ni mama ng yung powdered milk na tinimpla. Tapos naging thick lang. This is the macaroni soup. What else we ordered? Then banpan at saka yung sayo pa. So, mama. Okay naman, guys. I mean, not bad. Fried chicken rice. Yung macaroni soup nila. Hindi masyadong maarte sa amin. Igigisa mo yan sa buto-buto o kaya sa manok. Tapos may carrots, may bell pepper, may toyo. Okay naman, masarap naman. Ang sarap ibabaw. May something na iba. Hindi lang siya regular na tindos na nilagyan ng butter. May iba siyang lasa. Masarap. Papa, this is recommended. 9/10. This is coconut, tapos merong red bean, pagkatapos may parang jelly na naman. Anything with coconut, panalo sa akin. I mean, I'm always gold. Ganon. Hindi na naman matamis. Gusto ko ng mas matamis. Ano may munggo nila guys? Malalaki, matataba. Ano-ano. Tapos meron dakbo-daman. Mahirap na masipsip ay pumasok ng ano, ng munggo. Ting bill. Hindi ko alam kung magkano guys.
Basta ka. 219.
So it's 290.
Go check.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ganda naman ng ano na to, bake shop. Napakarami mga herbs and mga kung ano nung gamot. Gusto kong bumili. Pero busog ako. This is the first baleno na nakita ko. Wala akong napansin sa Kowloon, sa area namin sa Chimchachoy. Dito muna tayo. Tingin muna tayo dito. Habang nagpapababa ng kinain. Oh, parehas ng skirt ko. This is what I'm wearing. Don't mind the chan. This is nice. Merong style dito. So, kung mataba ang chan, di ba? Hindi masyado makikita. Like your mommy. This only proves, guys, na ang knitted is always in. Staple talaga siya. Dami mo. Ang ganda ng purple. Pero, parang pang bagets. Merong sale. Ang ganda ng fabric. Tapos, 100 Hong Kong lang. Any color, any size. Eh?
All this type.
All this one. Guys, yung fabric nila antibacterial, cool effect, soft touch. Diba? Bibili ako. This is for lady or for men?
For men.
Ah, men. Wrong number, men pala. This is Hong Kong during June. Diba guys, ang init. We gotta go to Times Square or Sogo area because gusto ko yung mga kalye na dumadaan yung mga double-decker bus, tapos mayroong tram, cute. Sasakay kami ng tram. Nakatram kami guys. Ang init, nakakahilo. As in, this is central area. Today is Sunday at maraming mga Pinoy na naka-standby dun sa mga ganyan-ganyan side na yan. Ayan, dyan sila nag-relax kapag weekends. Ayun, yung mga ganyan. Yung ding-ding natin is for the experience. And now, we are hungry. Let's find our lunch. Itong pupuntahan natin is a Michelin star for their char siu, yung pork barbecue. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Oh. 2023, 2024, 2025. Yummers. Wow. Para ako na sumunod na. Hindi mo na tayo sumunod. Tingnan yung tsura ko. Para ako sumunod. Ako din po. Oo, ganyan ka din. Namumula ka din. Ito silang every year Michelin. Crispy pork. Pork barbecue. So, meron din silang goose. Walang drawing. Going for the gulay ang gusto ko. Rice soup. Veg soup. Hati lang kami ni Mama sa rice. So we're still busog. This is good na daw for 3 packs. So, ito na yung order namin. Walang asukal. Kasi meron silang honey lemon eh. Oo, honey lemon tea na. Kaya yun yung sugar. Nakakatuwa, napaka-low-key, napakaliit, napaka-simple, pero 100%. Yung breakfast natin, 10/10. Etong lunch natin, 10/10 din. Ano kaya ang dinner natin? Ang mami nyo, no, puro kain. Wala naman akong ginawa. Puro kain, puro kain. Yung nanay ko, medyo hindi na pwedeng masyadong maraming nilalakad. No? Hindi na maraming nilalakad si mama. Marami na siyang reklamo. Ahina na pasensya. Yung Watson's dito, kita nyo ba? Watson's Health. Di ba sa atin, Watson's Pharmacy, ganyan. Let's make silip lang. What's in here? Oy, Target Pro by Watson's, oh, di ba? Moisturizing lotion, cleanser. Kusang mura lang. Siyempre, as always, mga pampaganda. Botanist. I like Botanist. Pero shampoo pala siya. Hindi siya body wash. Meron ditong Naturals by Watson's. Ito yung, hindi naman bago, no? Improved formula nila. For detox? What's the brand?
New Farm.
Oh.
New Farm, right? Famous.
New Pharma.
Many Philippine people, they also use it. This one,
Slimming the stomach.
it clean the toxin inside.
Toxin
And
na.
then the skin would getting better.
Watson's brand ng Omega Fish Oil. 1,000 mg. Support heart and brain health. 139. May liquid calcium na. Liquid glucosamine is for the joints. May booster pa ng hair, kung maninipis yung buhok nyo. Probiotics, 15 billion for the gut health. Stomach aids. Ito naman, magnesium. Iinom ako nito for muscle care. Pero ibang brand. Oh, ay, turmeric para for the joint health. Omega 3, 6, and 9 for the heart health. Maganda to guys, pagka, yun nga, sa mga kaidaran nating mga mommies dyan, diba? Yung mga fish oil also for the heart health. Tapos pag magnesium naman, kung halimbawa daw kulangan sa tulog, sa mga joint and muscle, ito din yun. So, ito pala ang Watson's Health. Concentrated sa parang pharmacy. Dumaan lang ako guys, na-curious lang ako para i-compare natin sa Watson's sa Manila.
Holiday Inn TSP.
Golden Mile.
Golden Mile.
Pagoda na po ang aking nanay. Taas ng araw ngayon. Bibili uli ako ng Jenny butter cookies. Hello! 4 mix. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. May bayad mga kumare. Ito yung diskarte nila sa pagsupot. Diba? Sa ilalim. At walang tao. The best thing is kapitbahay namin sila. Ito din ano, tart naman siya oh. Macadamia. Macadamia?
Yeah, macadamia. Yeah. Together.
Kada. Ito siya.
South flavor, coffee flavor.
How much? May discount ka na 10.
Yeah.
Ganda po. This time. So it's handmade. There's coffee flavor. Guys, parang parehas ng Jenny. Ito naman iba. Parang masarap tong almond na to. Pero hindi ito. Barquillos, di ba? Masarap. Parang gusto ko pa. Marami pa ng tindahan ng mga cookies dito sa building. Bibili kaming drinks. Uhaw ako. Thank you. Nice to may pasalamin dito. Natatawa ako. I always make salamin here. The mother deer is tired. Oh, Keribum? Ano ma? Kaya pa, hindi na kaya. Sasama pa, hindi na sasama. Okay. Sabi namin, huwag kaming didistorbohin. Diba? Yes. Back at the hotel. Because the mother goose, gusto na pong umuwi. Okay, but we dropped by Jenny Bakery again, which is our kapitbahay lang naman. So, I bought another 4. Tikman natin itong isa. I have to say guys, mabigat siya. So parang naku-curious ako bakit siya mabigat. Kasi yung mga butter cookies natin, bigger yung kanilang tin can. Pero pag hinawakan mo, parang ang gaan lang. Ito, heavy siya. So parang sinasabi dito, yung mga ingredients daw are all natural, no? Pero kasi how can that be natural when this is a butter cookies, diba? Butter pa lang, hindi na siya healthy. Try natin para ma-justify natin. Pero yung masasabi ko guys, maganda yung packaging ni Jenny. Ibang klase yung kanyang quality. So baka isa pa rin yun, kaya din siya mabenta. To begin with, hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa butter cookies. Amoy coffee. So itong can na to guys, this is 80 Hong Kong dollars. So 80 times around 7 pesos. So mga nasa 560 pesos siya, ganyan. Siksek puno. It has 4 flavors. Tikman ko muna itong isang ito. Pag titingnan mo, parang nating special. Pero tingnan natin yung lasa. Hindi sweet, bagong bake. Medyo mataas ang oil content nito, no? Kasi butter, eh, no? Medyo oily siya. Okay? That's one. Tikim tayo ng another flavor. Itong nasa gilid. Ito naman. Sad to say, hindi ko po alam yung mga pangalan ng flavors, no? Parang magkahawig yung lasa. May konting difference, pero hindi ko ma-distinguish kung ano yung pagkakaiba. Baka ito may nuts. Ito ang pangalawa. Okay. Ito naman tayo sa parang pa-flower na to. Parang mas pino yung texture. Yung isa kasi dito, itong dalawa medyo rough siya. Pero parang magkakahawig ng lasa eh. Bias na yung aking panlasa, guys. The fourth flavor. Ito may pagka-caramel flavor. Na parang may coffee, ganon. Bottom line, guys, hindi na naman matamis. So, parang dito talaga sa Hong Kong, yung mga drinks nila, yung mga desserts nila, cookies, saka yung mga milk pudding na nakain ko the past days, hindi sweet. And this is freshly baked, masarap, bago, yun ang masasabi ko. Pero other than that, di ko masyadong ma-distinguish yung taste. And yes, it's a buttered cookies, no? Kaya mapifeel mo lang na medyo a little bit oily, but then, masarap siya. Buti na lang, bumili kami ng inumin. Yung nadadaanan namin the past days. Na pinipilahan, ang dami-daming tao, ang mami yung curious lagi, nakipila. Okay? So, I got my all-time favorite na fresh lemonade. Sirut, strawberry milk. And then, my mom, yung favorite din naman niya na blueberry. Pero bago ko ibigay sa kanya, titikman ko muna. Kumain ako ng cookies. So, parang matabang yung dating ng drink sa akin. Pero, mas masarap naman to po kaysa kay John Lemon. Parang si John Lemon kasi, sorry to say po, no, na inconsistent yung timpla. Minsan masarap, minsan hindi. Tapos, minsan may lasa, minsan wala. Pero, ganun talaga. So, kaya nga dapat yung mga nagtitimpla din, you have to try to be consistent. Usually, bago ako bumili, meron akong expectation. Tapos, pag hindi na-meet yung expectation ko, medyo hindi ako nahahappy. Kung hindi consistent yung timpla nyo, minsan masarap, happy, minsan hindi. Parang minsan dismayado ka. Nice naman. Okay, for my mom. Ma, patigyan na. Meron talagang fresh na blueberries. Mukhang kidrush na siya. Nice. Magugustuhan to ng nanay ko. Ma, oh. Ang sarap. Starting to pack my things. Kanina, nakadaan kami ng Baleno at nakabili ako ng mga something. Supposedly, ang plano ko, Giordano. Ito naman sa Nathan Road, merong Giordano. Pero nakapunta na ako ng Baleno. Parang ayoko na mag-Giordano. Maganda kasi may sale, no? So, I got something. I came to realize, ang dami ko pa palang damit na hindi nasusuot. Nakakatawa. Half of my maleta, usually naman kasi talagang nag-extra ako. Kung mag-extend kami ng mga 4 days, may pang 4 days pa ako, gano'n. 5 days lang kami sa Hong Kong, tapos may 4 days kang extra. Ganun po ako talaga. Kasi hindi mo masabi, matapunan. At saka kung gusto mo mag-picture, di ba? So, ayun na nga. This top is from Shopee. Ayan. And also my long skirt, na midi skirt, flowy and printed from Shopee also. Very nice. Lagay ko dito yung picture. Magpapapicture ako mamaya. We're set to go out and have dinner. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Anong oras na?
7:30.
Oh, 7:30 na. Okay, just in time. Let's go. Just before we go out, gusto kong maging fresh. Perfume ng mami nyo. Ganyan lang ako mag-perfume. Pero minsan, ginaganon-ganon ko din. Masarap kasing mabango, diba? Here we are, out and about, looking for dinner. Wow! Parang nagmamantika yung ramen. May nakita si Ruth na Thai food. Tingnan natin. Wow, Jade Market. Ito bang Jade Market na nakikita ko is talagang mga jade. Oo, kasi meron din pearl. Jade daw. As in jewelry, it is, baby. Luna Bar. Thai restaurant daw. Thai food. Mga water sa Europe. Thank you. tapos lamig. You have
The pad thai, like king pork with pad thai. But you didn't write in a pad thai, but you write in some fried noodles like that. Please.
This is tom kha gai, right?
Yeah.
Shrimp pomelo salad. Medyo iba yung dating. Parang yung pomelo salad is may timpla. Usually, parang makikita mo talaga very raw yung pomelo eh. Thank you. Kapin ka. Iba yun lang timpla nila dito. Pero nice naman. This is shrimp cake, right? Yeah. Yum. Shrimp cake. Ayun, naka-slice pala. Pag ano, medyo makapal. Sarap. Huli na naman nilang isa-serve yung kanin. Broccoli crab meat. Pineapple fried rice. Nasa pineapple talaga ang ating fried rice. Laki na sa lahat. Busin natin dahil mahal to. K11. Open? Oh my God, it's closed na. Closed already? Wala na daw. Sarado na, guys. Hindi tayo nakakahabol. Ay, sad. Nakahabol sila. Ang tagal nyo kasi umihi. That famous black and white evap milk. Meron din palang naka-tetra pack. And they also have like this, oh. Yung mga naka-portion na. Guys, oyster sauce nila dito nakalagay, oh. Tapos, reduced salt. Tapos may likomki din. Nice. Napadaan kami sa grocery. And now, we're just lang looking ang seasoning. Chicken powder. Buyon. Laksa. Yay! Natin ang pinagyayabang nila.
This is about 85 pesos.
Oh. Mother, ha? The busy Hong Kong. Sleepy na ako, B. I have to say good night, guys. See you again tomorrow when I wake up. Good night, Mother dear. Mother dear. Good night. Good night then. Bye.